of Somalia.
Madam President, since it's the first time my delegation is taking the floor this month, I would like to congratulate you, Madam, on the excellent manner you are conducting the work of the Council this month. We welcome the adoption of Resolution 2767, which marks a significant step toward sustained peace and stability in my country. I take this opportunity to extend my appreciation to the penholder, the United Kingdom, and all Council members for their constructive engagement on this important resolution. We acknowledge the Council's intention to operationalize the historic Resolution 2719 through the current adoption